What will happen in the next 5 billion years? What dramatic transformations will Earth and humanity undergo? Next, we will attempt to take you on a mysterious journey through the river of time, using existing scientific theories. In about 5 years, Elon Musk's Mars colonization plan will be officially launched. The first batch of 4 astronauts will travel in a manned spacecraft, landing for the first time on Mars. Subsequently, 2 to 4 astronauts will be sent every 2 years, with a plan to establish the first permanent human settlement on the surface of Mars within 10 years. In about 20 years, the maturity of autonomous driving technology will bring significant advances for humanity in the field of transportation. The arrival of the autonomous driving era will cause the profession of driver to be completely retired from the stage of history. In 50 years, the vacuum high-speed train project will be officially launched. Its maximum operating speed can reach 20,000 kilometers per hour, allowing it to circle the Earth more than 10 times in a single day. In 100 years, the global population will surpass 10 billion. Due to the increasing wealth inequality, climate change, and the constant rise in energy demand, conflicts and competition between countries will intensify, and even small nuclear wars will occur in the struggle for resources, bringing huge challenges to the survival of humanity. But with the constant advancement of new technologies, it will also bring new hopes for humanity. In 200 years, major advancements will be made in high-strength carbon nanotube materials. Then, the first space elevator will successfully operate. It will not only be able to easily break free from the Earth's gravity, sending people or supplies into space more conveniently, but it will also greatly accelerate the pace of humanity's exploration of the universe. In 300 years, the gradual maturity of quantum computers will bring a huge revolution to human technology. The supercomputing power will allow humanity to build complex and vast metaverse systems. Many people will spend most of their time in the virtual world. Not only that, but it will also be possible to implant computer chips in the body, realizing human-machine interconnection, and holographic projection screens can be invoked at any time, replacing cell phones and computers. In 500 years, humanity will overcome most diseases, including cancer, through nanorobots technology. The average life expectancy of humans will also generally increase. In 800 years, humanity will reach the standard of a level 1 civilization in the universe, capable of arbitrarily controlling all energy and usable resources on the planet it is on. For example, it will be possible to control natural phenomena such as climate, rivers, land, and oceans at will, and even master the changes and life cycle of matter within the Earth's crust. At the same time, controlled nuclear fusion technology will be mastered at a preliminary level, and it will be possible to travel and explore freely between all the planets in the solar system through advanced aerospace technology. In 1,000 years, anti-gravity vehicles will begin to become a common mode of transportation, becoming widely used, and a huge network management system will be built in all areas of human activity. For more efficient communication and collaboration, humanity's existing language vocabulary will gradually evolve into a new linguistic system. In 2000, with the continuous iteration and rapid development of artificial intelligence technology, robots with primary autonomous consciousness will replace most human jobs, and humanity will have more energy to develop technology and elevate the level of spiritual civilization. Humans will also begin to use artificial womb technology to replace human reproduction. In 3,000 years, the scope of human activities within the solar system will constantly expand. With the help of robots, humanity will begin to build unprecedented giant projects. Not only will many large space cities be built in Earth's near orbit, but many industrial bases will also be established on the Moon's surface, developing and utilizing the Moon's resources on a large scale. In 5,000 years, humanity's transformation of Mars will have been preliminarily completed. An artificial magnetic field will protect Mars' atmosphere from radiation, and the surface will also restore the oceans. By this time, the environment will not be very different from Earth. The population in Mars cities could even reach millions, and their own governmental organizations will be established. In 10,000 years, humanity will discover the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations for the first time, proving that humanity is not the only creature in the universe. However, with humanity's technological level, it will still be impossible to establish contact with other civilizations. In 50,000 years, humanity will establish a direct connection between the brain and external devices through brain-machine interface technology, thus realizing the exchange of information between the brain and devices and greatly enhancing the human body. In 100,000 years, humanity will build a Dyson sphere to collect all the energy from the sun, thus eradicating the energy crisis. At the same time, technology will develop rapidly, and humanity will begin to enter a level 2 civilization in the universe. In 100,000 years, humanity will begin to fully use genetic editing technology to transform their bodies. Both physical and intellectual abilities will far exceed those of current humans, and life expectancy will also greatly increase to the limits of the human body. In 1,000 years, the spacecraft made by humanity will already be able to reach 10% of the speed of light, and even send manned scientific spacecraft to other star systems. In 5,000 years, humanity will successfully create a time machine. It will be able to review moments from any point in history through holographic projection technology, but only for visualization, not for altering history. In 10,000 years, humanity will have unprecedented success in interstellar exploration. And during the process of interstellar exploration, it will encounter other extraterrestrial civilizations and produce wide intersections. Different civilizations may go to war due to differences, and various interstellar alliances will also be formed, with some consensual interstellar rules being established. In 50,000 years, humanity will make more progress in researching consciousness. Memory in the brain can be digitally stored and copied. Humans may rely on body replacement to achieve immortality in a certain sense. In 100,000 years, humanity will have entered a level 3 civilization able to travel interstellar distances through spacecraft with faster-than-light warp engines. Humanity's footsteps will be all over the galaxy, and colonies can be established on any suitable planet. In 500,000 years, the number of humans across the galaxy will exceed trillions, and humans living on different planets will also show great differences in appearance over time. Some humans will choose to merge with various machines, thus becoming a new species. Some will even choose to completely abandon physical entities, becoming a purely digital form of consciousness. In 1,000 years, the sun's brightness will continue to increase, causing Earth's oceans to evaporate and disappear, making it no longer suitable for life. In 4,000 years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide and merge, and the night sky seen from Earth will become brighter. In 5,000 years, all the hydrogen in the sun will be exhausted. The core will begin to collapse, and the heat generated will cause the outer layers to expand, becoming a red giant whose radius will exceed Earth's orbit. This cradle that once gave birth to human civilization will disappear forever from then on. If civilization still exists at this time, it may have a deeper understanding of the meaning of the universe and life. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.